The DJI Osmo Pocket is the smallest 3-axis stabilised handheld camera that DJI have ever produced. In fact, it's so tiny, you could fit it inside my mug. Now let's take a closer look at the camera itself. The DJI Osmo Pocket supports micro SD memory cards up to a maximum of 256 GB. You may have to buy the memory card separate though, as it doesn't come with a memory card already installed. The micro SD card adapter comes with a micro SD memory card and will enable you to transfer your Osmo Pocket footage to your laptop or PC. You can operate your Osmo Pocket camera with your smartphone with the Android or iPhone adapter. When attached to your smartphone, you can use the DJI Mimmer app to operate your Osmo Pocket camera. You can also watch your videos taken with it and turn these into video compilations with music using DJI's story mode templates. Hi, here I am at sunny Baddesley Clinton in Warwickshire, UK, and I'm going to compare my DJI Pocket camera with my iPhone 8. Now the iPhone 8 does have some auto, image and optical stabilisation, so it'll be interesting to see how they compare. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run and walk filming with the DJI Pocket camera, and I'm going to do the same with my iPhone 8. As you can see, the DJI Osmo Pocket camera produces much smoother results. The DJI Osmo Pocket is not quite an action camera like the GoPro series of cameras, but for its tiny size, it does do a great job of capturing quality, stabilised video footage when you're filming on the go, walking or running. Its small size can be a drawback though, as a few times I've noticed my final video footage showed the skyline to be either too high or too low, which I hadn't noticed during recording because of its tiny screen size. It also struggles a bit in dim light, and the autofocus can be slow to adjust at times, but for the vast amount of my video footage I found it to perform very well, as you can see here from the video footage taken in Snowdonia, North Wales. I also found the Osmo Pocket's audio quality to be quite good for its tiny size, and it's similar to what you would expect from a smartphone. The Osmo Pocket has some excellent feature modes, including photo, video up to 4K at 60 frames per second, slow motion, time-lapse and motion-lapse, and panorama mode. Here's a quick demonstration of the 3 operating modes available. The default is follow mode, which should be fine for most of your filming. In follow mode, the gimbal moves consistently with the handle to ensure stable and smooth footage. In tilt-locked mode, the pitch of the camera stays locked when you move the gimbal body up or down or side to side. Good for recording forward motion, such as jogging or walking. In first-person mode, none of the 3 axes are locked, and the gimbal can move freely in any direction, useful for recording action-filled moments. The on-screen scroll wheel allows you to control the pitch of the camera up or down. The DJI Osmo Pocket camera is very responsive at tracking your face or an object. In this video I was running around my living room and it had no problems keeping up with me. Here the Osmo Pocket is tracking my mug. So for my pros, the Osmo Pocket does produce some very good smooth video up to 4K and 60 frames per second. And the excellent active track and face track feature are very good at tracking an object or your face. It's also very compact and portable, and the battery life is very good for its size. For my cons, the small screen can sometimes make it hard to see clearly what you are recording, and the autofocus can be a bit slow to adjust on occasions. So overall, I do highly recommend this camera as it's so small and portable, and I've used it many times when I've been out and about to take some truly stunning pics and video. I will also be comparing it against the GoPro action cameras, so if you want to be the first to watch that review, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and that review will be coming out very soon.